Now please, in the next case, just do the rehearsal. Just guide me. I'll do it on the board for you. I'll tell you when to note something down. When there will be something worthwhile, I'll make you note it down. Now just see, if I give you three vectors, suppose this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and I tell you there is a vector in this direction, 100 Newton force. There is another vector in this direction, 400 Newton force. This angle is 30 degrees. Then I tell you there is a third vector, 200 Newton. And then I tell you there is a fourth vector in this direction. The fourth vector is 200 Newton. And this angle is 45 degrees. So there are four vectors, F1, F2, F3 and F4. And I want to add these four vectors. Please tell me, how do I go about adding all these four vectors? Yes, PCC.
Sir, so you take out the component on the x-axis for the three forces.
Yes.
For F2 and F4. Then through triangle you can add F on the x-axis and the y-axis all apart.
Yes. What we'll do is, please see all of you. I'll break all the vectors along x and y. All the vectors. See this. This vector is already along x-axis and 100 Newton. Am I clear? F1. Can you tell me what do I do to F2? F2 को break कर लेते हैं x और y के along.
400 cos 400 sin 300.
Yes. So it will be 400 cos 30 in this direction, 400 cos 30 in this direction, और इस direction में कितना होगा? 400 sin 30. Perfect. तो 400 को हटा लिया. क्यों? ये कहाँ चला गया अभी? इसको हमने क्या कर लिया है? Resolve कर लिया, break कर लिया into two components. Break किया. अब और कौन सा बच गया? F3 is already in y direction. उसको ऐसे ही रहने देते हैं. F4 कौन बताएगा? क्या करूं? So y negative y में होगा या positive y में?
Negative y.
Yes. 200 cos 45 in this direction and 200 sin 45 in this direction. Abhi, 1 minute. When I have resolved it, when I have broken it into two parts, I should remove this vector because I have already taken its components. Now please tell me, what do I do now? Can I add all these three?
Yes, sir.
What will be that? 100 plus 400 cos 30 plus 200 sin, whatever number is this. Say I call it say something around 500 suppose. But I am just making your life simpler. So on adding these three, I got in this direction the vector came out to be 500 Newton. Just hypothetically we are assuming. I am not too interested in going to decimal places and calculating. I just want you to understand the concept first. So on adding all these three, we got this. Now please tell me what will happen on this side. This is 200, this is 200, 400 minus. Perfect. So what this plus this minus this. Why minus this? Opposite direction. Yes. So this will be net force will be upwards and it will be somewhat how much? 350 whatever. Just rough. Now I have got the net force in x direction, net force in y direction. What do I do now? Simple. But their tails are already together. So let me complete the parallelogram. Let me find this diagonal. This can be found using whatever this square plus this square. So 350 square 350 square plus 500 square. Why did I write 300? Very good, very intelligent. You people understand me. Now see this. Knowingly I wrote this.